We are here to see the Coachmen Apex BarV. Oh my gosh, let's go see.
Hey everybody, it's Brian from Cruisin with the Colemans, and we are showing you today the new Coachmen Apex BarV, and this is really excited. This is Max Kegel, this is his baby, so we're gonna let you tell him.
Yeah, so the 242 BarV is a whole new model, whole new concept that we just came out with the Apex brand. We're very excited. We were just awarded the RVNews RV of the Year for the traditional travel trailer. We're really excited about that after the big industry expo. And really the design is all about trying to create somewhat of a gathering space for everybody involved in the camping trip. So we wanted, the original concept, the design was, what if the people on the inside could sit down and have an eye-to-eye conversation with people sitting down on the outside. And the best way that we could achieve that was by creating this bifold door that we worked in conjunction with some local partners to create really something that sits at dinette height on the inside, but bar stool height on the outside. So you can see here, I have direct communication, eye-to-eye access. We can have open conversation, really have an open feel for the BarV. The bar itself right here is very sturdy. You can see that it's got the industrial cable coming all the way out here, so you can put some weight on this, which is really nice. You have your outside television, access to the inside bar. One of my favorite features though, if you're just sitting inside and you don't want to let bugs in but want to keep the fresh, we have the magnetic hold screen. This whole setup is just really, really nice and very open. It's great for hosting. It's great for having an open feeling in your unit, really opens things up. And it's got this nice big window here as well. So even if the bar is not in use, you still have good views to the outside, really easy to handle, and really very well received. We're thrilled for customers to be able to camp really in a very social setting.
Well, and I'm seeing this as a great RV to take tailgating, or if you're going to the infield at a race, or just any place where you want to be the center of attention.
Absolutely.
Like this is the party RV.
This one is going to be a great option for families who have, everybody's got their own setup, but one person can bring this and then everybody can gather around. This is a provided bar mat. This is a really easy setup that closes in. I can put 2 thumb turns right here. The reason we did that is so that you could just open this. If you just want to open this and have airflow and be able to come in, you can. This will close over the top. You see you got a nice seal here. We have a nice drip edge and seal across the top. This also has thumb turns on it, as well as keyed locks. So it's a really nice setup, and that is a tinted window. The indoor outdoor access is nice so that we can hand food in and out, we can talk, but we also still have the big outside kitchen as well. So we still have the big refrigerator on the outside. We are still providing our flat top griddle for outdoor cooking with fully plumbed sink. So really this in combination with the bar setup, I think is a truly fully outdoor setup. You can cook out here, you can create drinks, you can serve and have a nice party. It's just a really great overall setup.
And I got room right here for my jiggers and my cocktail stirrers and my picks, so I can have everything set up.
Absolutely.
A wet sink, and of course the beer and wine fridge right here.
It's really nice to have. So you have a drawer access, you have a little bit of overhead storage, good countertop space. Like I said, this in addition to the bar, I think is it truly probably one of the most full outdoor setups that you can come up with, standard from the factory.
And if I need to cook in the rain, I'm covered and protected from that too.
Absolutely. And that's why we did that. We did that because we wanted the awning to be able to come out, and it's still really everything feel very, very covered and a part of the party.
What's the length and weight on this RV?
So this trailer overall is 28 foot 10 inches and it weighs 5,700 pounds. So we're still under that 6,000 pound benchmark. We're under 30 feet and lots that are coming along with it.
Well, you have me sold on the outside alone, but let's take a look at the inside and see what the features are there. From the inside, this has got a lot of space.
Yeah, the inside of this trailer, I think what I love most about it is just how straight up simple it is. This is not going crazy. I would say the most unique part about it is having freestanding chairs at dinette height. Normally when you see these freestanding chairs inside of a trailer, it's a bar top. But having this at dinette height is actually really nice. It's a little bit easier to sit down. It's a little bit more like home. And you're gonna still have that huge window on this side. You've got your TV right across from your sofa, so you get that direct view entertainment that we always talk about. And of course, the dance floor. You gotta have the dance floor.
Well, I mean, if it's the party
if
RV,
it's the party RV, you gotta be able to dance around in here. So I love having this because it's also once again, like I said before, on the outside, we're trying to create conversation between people on the outside and people on the inside. Also trying to create conversation by people maybe sitting on the couch and sitting at the dinette. You know, you can turn around and really very easily socialize in this coach.
well, and freestanding chairs, you can put them anywhere.
Absolutely. So, and this is cool because you have a really great kitchen setup up here with plenty of countertop space, big deep bowl sink. You have overheads, microwave, our air fryer oven combo with range cooktop. I mean, this is just a very simple kitchen setup. It's everything you're gonna need. Your refrigerator is right here, right next to you. So, and of course, like I said, that direct view entertainment just lends itself. This setup in here is very simple. This is not crazy, but what it does is it provides that open feeling. That's this trailer, like I said, under 30 feet, under 6,000 pounds, can start to feel small. But with this setup in here with the deep slide, there's so much floor space, you just can't feel cramped.
Well, and we've got the TV here, the TV in the bar. So if you've got the game on, everybody can see it no matter where they moving in and outside.
Absolutely. And I really like, you know, when we're trying to add things into a trailer and provide things that people are going to use, this trailer really goes above and beyond. It has 3 refrigerators, 2 televisions, and an ice maker standard coming from the factory, which is really fun. People love the ice maker, and it's not something that they have to go out and buy. We're providing it in a nice, easy to use place. It's already mounted on there, so you don't have to worry about it flying around. I think the 3 refrigerators is fun because when you're out here, you know, you're going to have a lot of people that are going to have different beverages, whether inside or outside, and we're just servicing all of that. And it's really great because it opens this to just be food, right? Yeah. And when you're talking about having a party or having a socialist, you're going to have a lot of food going on. So 2 drink fridges, 1 food fridge, the ice maker, plenty of countertop space. You know, this is just a very simple setup that will go a long way.
What solar is coming standard on this?
So we're coming standard with a 200-watt solar panel with a 30-amp controller. It's still going to have all of our Apex favorites, like the solar standard. We've got the underbed storage up front, which is new and improved this year to now have full pass-through included. We're also doing the ladder prep on the back. We're doing the backup camera prep. We still have our laminated roof, which is nice and solid in here. We got everything that you know and love about Apex, but just in a pretty unique setup.
Back here in the bathroom, we've got plenty of knee room, plenty of elbow room, and a nice shower sitting in the corner. Lots and lots of cabinet storage space up here. It's one big opening, but plenty of room for storing clothes hampers or laundry baskets or whatever else you need. RVNews named the BarV the top trailer of the year and the top debut of the year, and the Dealer Satisfaction Index has named Apex as one of the leading brands across the RV industry for customer service, responsiveness, and quality of product. The BarV is a great RV that's going to get you to be the center of attention at the campground. Make sure you check out all of our other RV tours from Apex and remote, and we hope to see you out taking a party and your next adventure.